Jason, wake up, please.
What time is it now?
It's 6:45. You really need to get up.
I still feel tired.
You slept enough? Come on, get moving.
Just a few more minutes.
No, Jason. You'll miss your meeting.
Meeting. Oh, right, I completely forgot.
Yes, that's why I woke you early today.
Okay. I'm getting out of bed.
Did you wash your face yet?
Not yet. My eyes won't open.
Go now. You'll feel better after.
Fine, I'm going.
Breakfast is ready on the table.
What did you make?
Toast, cheese, and orange juice.
Nice, that sounds great.
Eat quickly. You don't have much time.
I know. I'm trying.
Did you check your emails?
Not this morning.
You should check them before leaving.
I will. Thanks for reminding me.
Are you fully awake now?
Almost. I think I need some tea.
There is tea on the counter.
Thank you. You always save me.
Look at the clock. It's almost 7:30.
Oh no, I really need to hurry.
Your shoes are by the door,
Great, found them.
and your bag is on the sofa.
Perfect. Got it.
Don't forget your keys.
Oh wow. I almost left without them.
Have a good day, Jason.
Thank you. See you later.
Hey, Jason. You're back a little early today.
Yeah, the meeting finished faster than I expected.
That's great. How was your day?
Pretty busy, but everything feels better now that I'm home.
Well, dinner is almost ready.
Really? What are we having?
Just something simple. Pasta and a fresh salad.
That sounds perfect. I'm starving.
Before you eat, go wash your hands.
Yes, ma'am. Right away.
So, did you enjoy the meal?
I did. Thank you for cooking. It was delicious.